The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades we've seen in years. And today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, starting with the design. According to Sam Mobile, the Z Fold 8 will feature a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch foldable inner display. Now that sounds familiar, but here's the upgrade. Reports suggest Samsung is using a new dual ultra-thin glass UTG with a laser-supported structure, which could finally give us a near crease-free display. And according to Geeky Gadgets, Samsung is also refining the overall design to make it slimmer, more durable, and better for multitasking. So yeah, same form factor, but way more refined. Now let's talk power. While exact chipset details aren't fully confirmed yet, leaks suggest a next-gen flagship processor, likely from Qualcomm. According to Phone Arena, the device could come with up to 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes RAM, storage options going up to 1 terabytes, which basically means this thing is going to be a multitasking beast. This is where things get interesting. One of the biggest complaints with previous Fold devices was battery. But according to Geeky Gadgets and Phone Arena, the Z Fold 8 could feature a larger battery, 5,000 mAh, and upgraded 45-watt fast charging. That's a huge jump from previous generations. So yeah, better battery life and faster charging. Samsung is expected to push things further this year. According to multiple leaks reported by Sam Mobile and industry sources, improved camera system, potential 200 megapixel main sensor, flagship level upgrade. So don't expect just incremental improvements. This could be one of the best cameras on a foldable yet. Here's where Samsung might really win. Possible return of S Pen support, rumored by Geeky Gadgets, better multitasking software, and improved durability overall. Plus, there are reports of a new Fold 8 wide version, mentioned by TechAdvisor, offering a completely different aspect ratio for better usability. According to TechAdvisor, Samsung is expected to unveil the Z Fold 8 around July 22, 2026, at a Galaxy Unpacked event. Pricing? Expect it to stay in the ultra-premium range, around almost 2,000 plus. So here's the deal. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another upgrade. It's Samsung refining everything users complained about. Better battery, faster charging, improved display, less crease, flagship level cameras. And honestly, this might be the foldable that finally feels complete. If you're excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 8, make sure to like this video. Subscribe for more Samsung leaks, One UI updates, and hidden features. And tell me in the comments, would you choose the Z Fold 8 or wait for Apple's foldable? I'll see you in the next one.